And the point here, what we are going to discuss is that the derivative of function. What I was telling is that
Yeah.
suppose y is a function of u
Yes.
and u is a function of x. As you
Mm.
see that y is a function of u, y is equal to fu, as you
Yeah.
see, and
Yeah.
u is a function of x, that u is equal to gx. What
Okay.
is our task? Our task is to find dy dx. You know,
Yeah.
if you see directly, y is not a direct function of x. Y is an indirect function of x. How it is indirect? Y is a direct function of u. That is why y is equal to fu.
Few. Yeah.
And then u is a direct function of x. That is u equal to gx. In that way, we can say y is an indirect function of x. Correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
So our task is to find dy dx. The rule for that is that dy dx is equal to dy du into du dx, as you see.
Okay.
Got it, no? And you know dy du, as we know, it is known by f dash u. Correct or not?
Dash U.
F dash u.
Yeah.
Dx x is
Yeah.
f dash x.
Yeah.
Du dx, that is ddx of gx, that is g dash x. Correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
Yes.
So
Yes.
finally, what we can write is that f dash of u is nothing but gx
Yeah.
and g dash x.
Okay.
Let me give an example that will be much more clear. As you see that in the example, y is equal to 2x plus 3 power 5,
Mm.
and we need to find the differentiation of that y with respect to x. But what I was telling that in the previous class, that based on all the formulas what you have learned so far,
Mm.
directly you cannot find the value of dy dx when I give y equal to 2x plus 3 power 5, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
But what we can do, we can write that y is equal to u power 5,
Yes. Yes.
where u is equal to 2x plus 3.
Yeah.
Correct or not, dear
Yeah.
students?
Yes.
Then how we can find dy dx? By using this rule as we just learned, dy du into du dx. Okay,
Okay.
let me show you how it is.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
so dy dx is equal to dy du into into du dx.
Yeah.
So what is dy du? Dy du is nothing but d du of y. What is y? Is u power 5
Yeah.
into d dx of u. What is u? It is 2x plus 3.
Yes. Yes.
So d du of u power 5 is nothing but 5 into u to the power 4 from our knowledge. d
Yeah.
dx of x power n
Yeah.
is equal to nx to the power n minus 1
Yes.
into d dx of 2x plus 3. That is d dx of 2x. Correct or not?
Yeah. Or plus ddx of 3.
Correct. d dx of 2x plus d dx of 3.
Yeah.
Now, if I ask you, Gurman, what is the value of d dx of 2x?
It will be 1.
No, d dx of 2x will be 2.
2, yes, sir.
2 plus d dx of 3. If I ask you, Mohor, what is the value of d dx of 3?
0.
Correct, because differentiation of constant is 0.
Yeah.
So from here, what we get? 10 into u to the power 4.
Yeah.
So 10 into u to the power 4. What is u? U was our assumption, 2x plus 3. Correct or not?
Yeah.
10 into 2x plus 3 power 4.
Okay.
Got it or not?
Yes.
All of you?
Yeah.
Now, the point is that what I wanted to say, so this is also known as chain rule, very, very important, because in most of the functions, you will not get it as a direct one. Okay.
Oh.
But there's a different way of looking into this. Every time, maybe in the initial few days, you need to assume different variable and do it. But, you know, as you have little bit of more experience, as you are going to have little bit of more experience, you will find all these things in a very, comfortable manner. How? Let me show you now itself. So, what is our task? Our task is to ddx of 2x plus 3 power 5, isn't it, dear students?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, first, what you need to do is that you can assume that 2x plus 3 is some variable. You don't need to assume this as u once
Okay.
you have some experience. So, what you will do? First, it will have 5 into
2x
2x plus 3 power 5
plus
minus 1,
4. Yeah.
that is 4, into
4.
dx of 2x plus 3. Correct or not? Are you getting my point, dear students?
Yeah.
So, that is equal to 5 into 2x plus 3 power 4 into ddx of 2x plus 3, that you can calculate, right? ddx of
Yeah.
2x is 2, ddx of 3 is 0, that is 2 plus 0, that is equal to 2. Correct or not?
So again, same thing. Okay.
Again, obviously, it has to be. It is
Yeah.
mathematics, right?
Yes. Yes.
So 2x plus 3 power 4.
Okay.
Literally speaking, it is not again same thing. It is always same thing, right?
It's all. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Exactly. The point is, now let's take another example. Sorry. Another example is that suppose we need to find, the differentiation of, let me use the different color. Suppose we need to find ddx of, sine of log x. Okay. Sine of log x power, let me give it is that log x, sine of log x square. Okay. Got my point?
Yeah.
Apparently, it looks like difficult, sir. It is difficult at this now. Now only you are giving me this problem, but you see, it will not difficult. Okay. So what is that? What is the differentiation of sine? Tell me.
Cos.
Wow, very good. Appreciate. All of you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So it is first. It will be cos of whatever is there inside. What is there inside?
No.
Log
X.
x. Okay. Cos of log x power 2, isn't it?
Yeah.
That will be correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cos of log x power 2, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Now into ddx of, what you will do? Log x power 2. Are you getting my point? You can assume that log x power 2, log x whole square actually, complete log x power 2 is a function of u. Then you do the same thing, no? ddx of u.
Oh,
So exactly what I wanted to mean is that this is your another function. First you can assume whatever I encircle in blue, you can assume something. It is a blue, okay? So sine of blue, that's what we did. What is that? That is cos,
cos. Yeah.
correct or not?
Yes. Yes.
Then ddx of what is there inside the blue, correct or not?
Yeah.
All of you agree to me? Spend
Yes.
couple of minutes, no issue on that. Whatever I encircle in blue, you can consider, okay, this is a junk one, this is a chunk one. I keep it here. So what is that sine of blue? It is cos blue, correct?
Mm.
Now let's differentiate the blue. What is that blue? That is log x whole square.
Yeah.
Correct or not?
Yes.
Clear or not clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Then what we are going to do? Then we are going to do is that cos of log x square, here we no need to do anything. It is cos of log of x square. Here we no need to do anything. It is because we are done. Then think about how we can apply the formula of log x square. We can apply the formula of x to the power n. Na? Let me use a different color pen.
Oh, that one. Okay.
Correct, na? So what it
So
will be?
2 log.
Exactly. So your task will be that you assume that log x is something, whatever I encircle in yellow.
Okay.
0 to the power 2. So 2 into yellow, correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
All of you are getting my point? So
Yes.
2 into log x power 2 minus 1, that is 1, correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Into d dx of log x, correct or not? What is there inside?
Okay. Oh, okay.
Again, no, apparently it looks very difficult. It is d dx of log x power whole square. We
Yeah.
know what is x square differentiation set that I can find.
Yeah.
So let's assume log x is actually yellow.
Okay.
Then 2 into yellow power 2 minus 1, correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Into d dx of yellow.
Yes.
So how far we will go? We will go that far unless we reach to a formula. We know the d dx of log x. What is that? Devanshu, you tell me what is d dx of log x?
1 by.
Yes, it is 1 by x.
1 by x.
Correct. It is 1 by x. We'll apply that one. All of you will to get it. Disha, Srijita,
Yes, sir.
Sagnik, Gurman.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's write it down. If we write it down here, what we are going to get? We are going to get d dx of log x is 1 by x. So we'll write after some time. Maybe it is. Let me use a different color pen. So this is equal to what? This is equal to cos of log x power whole square, log x power 2 into 2 into log x, correct or not?
Yeah.
Into 1 by x.
1 by x. Yeah.
So you can organize little bit so that it will be very good looking, decent looking. It is just like that 2 by x into log x, correct na?
Yeah. Yeah.
Into cos of log x power 2, correct or not?
Yeah.
So this is what, so apparently looks like difficult, but it is not. So what is the tactic? Tactic is that first what you do not know, the big thing you actually encircle.
Okay.
Now, without doing that also you can do, if you can take that u is equal to log x whole square.
U is equal to log x whole square.
Whatever is encircled in blue, na?
Yeah.
That also you can do in this way. So then what will happen? That will be taking a little longer time. So what you'll do? You can write is that d dx of sine of u.
U.
Correct, na? What is u? U is
Log
equal to log x whole square, correct, na?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where u is equal to log x whole square, correct?
Yes.
So ddx of sine u, how we can do? We can do is the ddu of sine u
Did
du dx. We just learned function of function, that is called chain rule, correct or not?
Yeah.
Here,
Yeah.
dy dx equal to dy du into du dx,
Yeah. Okay.
correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
So now, if we apply this thing, what will going to happen is that ddu of sine u is what? Cos u
Cos U.
into du dx. What is
Yeah.
du dx? ddx of log x whole square.
Log x whole square. Yeah.
Now you can again assume that okay, cos u is what is u? U is equal to log x whole square, na? So
Whole square. Yeah.
cos u means cos of log x whole square,
Hmm.
correct or not?
Yes.
Log x whole square
Yes.
into what we can do is that ddx of log x. So here we can again assume ddx of v square, where v is equal to log x. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, just give me a minute, okay? Just give
Yeah.
me a minute.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. So now we assume another variable v. V is equal to log x, correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
But ddx of v square we directly cannot do now.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
whatever is there, let's write it down, cos of log x whole square
Mm.
into d dv of v square.
D.
d dv of v square into dv dx. Correct or not? Same thing we have learned. You see,
Okay.
dy du into du dx.
Okay. Okay.
Same thing.
Okay.
The way here we do ddx of sine u. If you look into here,
Yeah.
dx of sine u, what we did? ddu of sine u into du dx.
2dx. Yeah.
Similarly, ddx of v square. dv of v square into dv dx.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Correct or not?
Yes. Yes. Got it.
So from here, what we can write? We can write cos of log x whole square
Hmm.
into ddv of v square is equal to 2 into v
Yeah.
into ddx of what is v? V is nothing but log x.
Log x. Yeah.
So we can apply all these values. Cos of log x whole square, correct or not?
Yeah.
Into 2 into v. What is
2
v?
log x. 2 log x.
2 into log x.
Yeah.
And ddx of log x, that we can tell
Um,
by means of formula is 1 by x. Same thing we get.
Okay.
What we get here, we can make it in a very proper format so that it looks good. 2 by x into log x, correct?
Yeah.
Into cos of log x whole square, correct or not?
Yes.
You see, both are same. But in the first case, what we did is that we used a principle that first we take the logarithm of the outside, then we go the logarithm of differentiation of the outside, then you'll go to the differentiation of the inside and so on. Correct or not?
Yes. Yes. I got it.
Anyone has any simplest doubt, simplest question before we proceed further? Hello, dear students.
Yeah. No.
Absolutely clear?
Yeah.
Correct or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Please have a look into it. If you have any smallest doubt, please do let me know.
So while differentiating the log x whole square in the first method, I'm saying.
Yes, sure.
So then if we are differentiating log x whole square,
Yes, log x whole
first we
square.
are, so first, like, can you explain that part again?
Yes, absolutely. Why not? Thanks for asking this question. So ddx of log x whole square, this one,
Yeah.
right? So first is that we do not know log x, so let's take something else. So you encircle in yellow.
Yeah.
So ddx of something power 2. That is
Yeah.
into that something power 2 minus 1. Na? That's what we did.
Okay.
ddx of log x. Forget about log x. You just encircle in yellow what I did. Na?
Uh-huh.
If something power 2, so that will be 2 into that something power 2 minus 1. Na?
Yes. Yes.
That's
Okay.
what we did. Then
Okay.
it is done. After that, we will concentrate on log x.
Oh.
After that, we will concentrate on log x.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Got it.
Take time. Take time.
Okay. Okay.
I can explain once more.
1 second. But so we are already we are already differentiating log x whole square, right? So why again,
No,
like why?
we are differentiating log x whole square, but we are not differentiating log x.
Oh. Yeah, yeah. Now I get it. Now I get it. Fine.
First, we go from the outside and then go into the inside.
Oh.
For example, you can ask the same question, na, sir, we already differentiated sign, then why you are again? We have differentiated sign in this case.
Yeah, but not log x.
Not log of x whole square. That's why we want to that ddx of log of x whole square, this one. Correct, na?
Yeah.
So from a bigger problem, we are going to the smaller, the modular approach.
Okay.
Then ddx of log x whole square.
Yes.
of log x whole square, log x we do not know, so we'll encircle in yellow as you see.
Mhm.
So something power 2. So 2 into that something power 2 minus 1, as I keep on repeating the same statement.
Yeah.
Then after once it is done, then you will concentrate on log x.
Okay. I
What
got
it
it.
is doing here.
Okay, got it.
Correct or not?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Clear or not clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So I think we can, we can solve a problem together. So that will be much more clear, right or not?
Yeah.
What do you think? Shall
Yeah.
we solve the problem together?
Yes.
Okay. 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 Let's work on a problem together so that it will help us to understand that exactly how to perform. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the problem I am going to give you, and uh, so it is square root of x plus 1 by square root of x whole square. Okay.
Root x plus 1 by root x whole square.
Let me write it down here. So if y equal to square root of x plus 1 by square root of x whole square, find dy dx. Is the question clear to all of you?
Yeah.
All of you? Srijita, Disha, Sagnik, Gurman, Vivansu?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So if y is equal to square root of x plus 1 by square root of x whole square, find the value of dy dx. Please try for a couple of minutes. Then we'll, resume discussion on that. Anyone is done with it? Sagnik?
I'm doing so.
No, sir, not done.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, after one step, I'm not like after a few steps, I'm not understanding what to do next.
So I got 2x plus 2 by root of x.
You got, okay, so Mohar, I got your statement. And Gurman, what you say?
So I got 2x plus 2 by root of x.
2x plus 2 by root of x. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Can I solve it so that all of you can have a look into it? Okay.
Yes.
And again, solidify your, understanding. That is what is very important. Okay. And you can always tell me, if there is any deviation from whatever we just learned from that. Okay. You can only guide me that how I'm approaching. Okay. So what we need to find? We need to find dy dx, correct, dear students?
Yeah.
So that means equal to d dx of square root of x plus 1 by square root of x whole square, correct? Or not?
Yeah.
Now, which one is not known to us as long as the differentiation is concerned? That is square root of x plus 1 by square root of x,
Yeah.
which I assume as a blue one. Correct, not? Encircled in blue, that it means what? d dx of blue power 2. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Say yes. If you do not know, say no, no problem.
Yes. Yes.
If it is that, then what is our learning? So that means is that dd2 into, right or not? 2
Yeah.
in blue power 2 minus 1.
Yeah.
That entire blue, right? Na? Let me
Yeah.
write. Entire blue. This power 2 minus 1. Correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever you learn, 2 minus 1 into ddx of this entire blue. Correct or not?
Yes. Yes.
Anyone has any difficulty in understanding this? Correct?
Yeah.
Now, instead of blue, whatever is there inside that blue, I'll write. What is that? It is
Text.
root over of x plus 1 by root over of x.
Yeah.
Here also, root over of x. Sorry, it is square root plus 1 by square root over of x.
Yeah.
Anyone has any doubt? No?
Mm.
So then what we get? We get 2 into square root of x plus 1 by square root of x. Power 2 minus 1 is what? 1. That means I no need to write. Power 1 means nothing you can write, no?
Yes. Yes.
Then from our fundamental rule, what we know? It is ddx of square root of x.
Yeah.
Square root of x means what? X power 1 by 2
Yeah.
plus ddx of 1 by square root of x. That means x power
Minus.
minus 1 by 2.
Yeah.
So that is equal to what? 2 into square root of x plus 1 by square root of x. Now tell me, ddx of x power 1 by 2, that should be 1 by 2
1 by 2 root.
into x power 1 by 2 minus 1.
Yeah.
Correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Then minus 1 by 2 into x power minus 1 by 2 minus 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me, where is the difficulty? Anything you have just done that without having the
I got
background.
till here. After that, like I didn't know how to solve the
Question is not you didn't get. Question is that why you didn't get. That is the question you should answer, isn't it? What was actually stopping you to proceed that one?
So I got 2x plus 2 by root 2 into x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus x to the power minus 3 by 2 by 2.
Then you need to, after that, you need to simplify. That's it, as simple as that.
So even I got like till this step, but
After that, you need to see, after that, the question doesn't belongs to, differential calculus. the question become 8th standard problem to simplify this algebraic expression, isn't it? We can take 1 by 2. Tell me. Correct me in case I am wrong. What is that? X to the power minus 1 by 2, na?
Yeah, so I got like 1 by 2 root
1 by
x.
root x, right? 1 by root x, correct or not?
So 1
Minus x to the power minus 3 by 2. That means 1 by x to the power 3 by 2, na?
yeah,
So that means 1 by x into root x, correct?
yeah.
In fact, second bracket is also not required, only first bracket is sufficient. Just a minute. Tell me.
So I got 1 by 2 root x minus.
Let's see. Then we can take root x common, na? Here, 2 and 1 by 2 get cancelled, right? Correct or not?
Yeah.
So then root x into root x become x plus 1 by root x. Do you agree to me?
Yeah.
Into, here also in the denominator we get x root x.
Yeah.
Then x root x minus root x, correct or not?
Yeah.
That means in fact we can say it is actually x minus 1. Correct or not?
X minus 1, yeah.
1 by root x, 1 by root x
Yes.
minus 1 by x root x.
Yes.
What you are talking about? Am I say correctly that it is a 8th standard problem? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Because realization of this thing is very important. Then what you are getting? You are getting x square minus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 1.
Yeah.
And in the denominator, what do we get? X square.
Square, yeah.
So that is equal to 1 minus 1 by x square.
Okay.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear or not clear?
Yeah.
Absolutely clear, right?
So, yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you can ask question to yourself. What was stopping me? You don't need to answer to me. You ask question to yourself and answer that what was stopping me to actually reach to this 1 minus 1 by x squared. You don't need to answer me.
So I converted the x
You
root
don't need
x.
to answer me. As I said, you don't need to answer me.
No, sir. Like I converted into x to the power 3 by 2, and then I was thinking.
Then ask yourself what was stopping you. That's why I said you don't need to answer me. You answer to yourself. You will get the answer. If you ask yourself from inside you only, you will get the answer. Or if you are not able to get the answer, ask me. After 5 minutes, you can ask me, sir, no, this was something I was not aware of. Correct, no?
Yeah.
But you can take the same problem in different manner. That's why I'm saying sometimes you need to ask question to yourself to get the answer. Because it is already been done. Which is not been done? Tell me. Tell me a single point which has not been done. Till this part of the problem, till this part of the problem, I completely understand. Okay, till this part. After that, what? After that, it is simply algebraic simplification, isn't it? Now we can take that problem in a completely different approach.
Sir,
Okay.
I did it the U way first time.
Fine, you do now. What is the big deal?
No, sir, even that way, like I got stuck in that step, the yellow.
What is the UA? Tell me, what is the UA?
Like I took y equals to u square.
Y equal to?
U
Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Why not? Let's do it. Just a minute. So what do we get? So we get y is equal to u square.
Yeah.
U is equal to square root of x plus 1 by square root of x. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So this implies dy dx
Equals to
is equal to d du of
y.
y, that is u square,
Yeah.
into du dx.
Yeah. Du dx.
So what is d du of u square? It is 2 into u.
2u. Yeah.
And what is the ddx of u? ddx of square
Root
root
x
of x
plus ddx of 1 by root over x.
1 by square root of x. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So what is u? 2 into square root of x plus 1 by square root of x.
Yeah.
And whatever you see it here, ddx of square root of x plus 1 by square root of x. Exactly, I have done it here.
Yes. Yeah.
Same thing here, same thing here, correct?
Yes. Like I got it to there, and after that the simplification.
So that's why I said few minutes back, simplification leads to a problem of 8th standard or 7th standard. Correct me, yes or no?
Yeah.
Then
Answer using you. Why you need a teacher to answer that question? Teacher is required today to understand how to make a chain rule and differentiation. But simplification, that leads to a different question altogether. Correct or not?
Yeah.
But we can take that problem in completely different approach. Let me do it here in a different color. Okay. See, what you can do is here, we can take it something like this. That okay, or we can simplify this thing. What is square root of x plus 1 by square root of x whole square? That is square root of x whole square, correct?
Plus 1 by
Plus
square
1 by square root of x whole square
plus 2.
plus 2,
Yeah.
because square root of x into 1 by square root of x.
Gets cancelled. Yeah.
So what is square root of x whole square is x.
Plus
What is
1
1 by square root of x whole square is 1 by x
Yeah.
plus 2.
Yes.
Find dy dx. That implies ddx of x plus ddx of 1 by x, correct or not?
Yeah.
Plus ddx of 1.
Dx of 1.
Yeah, ddx of 1. Its value is 0.
Oh.
Why you are surprising? That I do not understand. ddx of 1 is 0, right?
Okay.
So what is ddx of x? Is 1.
1.
Plus ddx of 1 by x means nothing but ddx of x to the power minus 1.
1. Yeah.
Plus ddx of 1 is 0.
Yeah.
So 1 ddx of x power minus 1, that is minus 1 into x to the power minus 1, that is minus 2.
Minus 2. Yeah.
That is 1 minus 1 by x square.
The next square
No.
minus x square. Yeah.
Same thing. In all the approaches, you are getting the same thing.
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yeah.
So this value, and if you simplify on this one, you'll got the same value.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Here.
Yes.
So fine. So I would like to give you a couple of assignments that you need to solve and share it to me by tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So and that all based on the formula what we have learned. Okay, today
Okay.
and the previous class.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So you will get the assignment in a minute in front of your this thing. So this is the first one. Just a minute. That is the next one. Got it? All of you will to view it.
Yes.
So this is question 1. And this question 1 has 6 different, sub questions, out of which first one I have already done today.
Yeah.
Then question number 2, it has 2 sub questions. And question number 3, it has, 2 sub questions. So these are the assignments that you need to submit before we start our class tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. And believe me, to answer these questions, all you need to follow my last day's class and today's class. If you see that I'm now sending the recorded class, right? So that you can also follow exactly what Sarah has said along with the class notes, correct? No?
Yes.
So this you can follow. And then with that, you'll be able to help answer all the questions. If you are not, you can always tell me, sir, no, this is something is beyond what you taught since yesterday and today. Absolutely, you have all right to say.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so with this, I would like to conclude today's class unless you have any specific question for me.
No, that's fine.
Any question from anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, thank you very much. You will get the class notes in another 10 minutes from now.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.